Anyway, I'm here getting videos live on the computer. Way easier to do it still on the computer than trying to do it on the phone. So I usually edit and upload everything. Well, went through to see how many unlisted and private videos I have. I always upload, set them to private, just kind of quick title them. Then they sit, and I get to it when I get to it. So I'm going through, looking around, I'm like, how many unlisted videos do I have? So I keep going and going and going. Ends up there's 296 videos that are not live yet. Some of which dating back to, let me turn the camera around and show you.
This is the last page. I sort 50 at a time when I'm doing videos to see what's private or unlisted. I have Wick GTO videos from July 3rd of 2020. That is the oldest video. Yeah. That's the oldest video that's not live yet. So sometimes stuff gets live, sometimes stuff doesn't. Big projects, like big long-term projects like Wick's GTO. I mean, this is, what is today? October 22nd. Duh, it says it right there on the screen. October 22nd of 22. Yesterday, October 21st of 22, Wick and I were working on the GTO. We have been working on the GTO for, this is like year 4, but it's a full-on resto, lots of crazy stuff. But yeah, so I have 296 videos that are not live, so yeah, it's gonna take a while. See, I got sorted visibility, private, unlisted. It's gonna take me a while. I did make 30 or so live today, so we're getting ahead, and I'm trying to make it so every time I work on something, I upload that day. As you can see, I'm getting better at it. Some of them, the long-term jobs, I know I'm kind of, well, they have to get backburnered because, you know, like Wick's GTO. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'll shut up now. Thanks for watching. Share the channel. Subscribe. More people need to subscribe. And fun.